If you are a Christian, you go don hear of the book of life. But if you are in this world in 2026, you must suppose don hear of Epstein files. Wetin be Epstein files? Na oyinbo problem be that, no be oyibo. E concern me, e concern you. How Epstein files how e take affect the price of garri? Na wetin you dey reason as an average Nigerian. Yes, but then na me go come let you know say no be so. The matter e concern you. Who be the man wey dem dey call Jeffrey Epstein? Wey be say na him come dey trend now. The man no been trend when he dey alive o. Even if he trended for ilu oyinbo, e no trend reach here. But now wey he don die, na now we come dey know much about the man. Yoruba get one adage, wọ́n ní bó ní rèsí ò fi gbá mọ́ èyí tó ti fi lẹ́ ò lè parun. Not knowing say this guy na pedophile. The guy na sexual offender. The guy get so many unspeakable things wey he dey do with children. So wetin come make the guy dey trend now? Wetin happen? Tọ́ afẹ́fẹ́ ti fẹ́ o. We don see the bum of the fowl. Which fowl? I go explain to you right now for inside this video. I know say many Nigerians no dey care about wetin dey shele for obodo oyibo. Me too, I no dey care, I no dey send. Wetin make me start to dey care? Na when Trevor Noah he go sell talk one joke for the last Grammy award, the thing come touch Donald Trump, the president of US, come talk say go sue go sue Trevor Noah. I say which kind joke be that? Na so the thing is serious.
The year, congratulations Billie Eilish. Wow, that is a Grammy that every artist wants, almost as much as Trump wants Greenland. Which makes sense. I mean, because Epstein's island is gone, he needs a new one to hang out with Bill Clinton. So,
you know, 2 days after that, I hear say, Jay-Z, Beyonce, then they get some kind of misunderstanding. It possible made them one divorce, and the thing they connected to Epstein files. I say, which kind of file be that? What is there inside that file? Now, what make me I go search you? And wetin I see for there, e shock me, e tear my mouth. And I know say as confirmed Nigerian wey you be, you wan know how the thing take reach you, I go yarn you. In fact, na wetin I wan do right now be that. See, most people wey popular for inside this world, their name dey on top the list. The list wey dem release, the name of people wey dem get for there. In fact, make I no lie you, according to wetin we hear, Zuma, the former president of South Africa, e dey on top the list. Our own Alhaji Aliko Dangote, they say him name feature for the list yo. No be only him, e get one guy wey dem dey call him name Jide James Zeitlin, another Nigerian. Him name too dey on top the list. What is this list? What is happening with this list? Are these people bad? Are they crazy? Are they criminals? No. Get it right. Get it right. Their name being on the list does not mean they are criminals or they are part of this crime or part of anything shady. Get that right. Because na so America dey talk and say anybody wey im name dey on top the list no mean say dem be bad person o. Wetin really happen? This particular guy wey dem dey call Jeffrey Epstein, make I tell you the story of im life short the way I understand am. They say the guy he get money pass shekere, he get money and he dey roll with the big boys. And you know he wan dey bamba, the guy no dey roll with small boys. Presidents, captain of industries, celebrities, na so he dey follow them roll. But nobody know wetin he dey do. Nobody know say na the work wey dey do, na the company wey you get somebody say shoe for Sena climb for obodo oyinbo no be like Nigeria now. That place, if you get money, they must to know how you take get the money. They no know how Jeffrey Epstein take get him home money o. The only thing be say he get money die and he know people die, and every celebrity dey say anytime he enter like this, everybody dey readjust and dey shake. Who come be this guy? Wetin he get? Who he be? But no be wetin cause trouble be that. Wetin really cause trouble be say this particular guy, they say he get some kind criminal record. Do you understand? He get some kind of criminal record, and that thing come dey affect our head. The way people dey see am, people come start to dey shout say this guy they must to prosecute am, say he had some sexual whatever with some children, and now they can't go prosecute the guy they put the guy for prison. Small time after that, dem free am again. As dem free am, the internet no be this now, no be now. Na that time everybody start to dey shout again say how you go dey do wetin? Poor man go thief Maggie and go show him fame for crime fighter, but then rich man go do bad, nothing go happen. After a long time, they caught the guy again and he was arrested again, and while investigation was intensified and they believed they were getting close to open some can of worms, they just woke up one day, get into his cell and realize say the guy don die. Wetin kill am? Who kill am? Na person? Na human being? Na winch? Na spirit? Nobody know. Now this is where it get interesting. Now when they get to the places where they want start to dey know people, na in this guy die. And that na why everybody come talk say you must to do that investigation. We want to know who and who dey, wetin dem do, wetin happen, how e take happen, how e take die. Is he trying to protect somebody, or somebody higher is trying to protect themselves, and that is why they kill this guy the way they happen for Yoruba film? Na all these kind things na im come cause trouble. Everybody come out dey shock, they come out dey shout, but no be there e end. Wetin come really make the matter burst this time around be say United States of America, they don dey conduct that investigation from tey. Finally they come release some list these days, and when dem see this particular list wey dem release, they say they don, everybody wey don send email to, everybody wey follow talk, everybody wey follow do business, you know that kind of thing, when everybody is a suspect, but then nobody is a criminal until they are proven guilty. Do you understand? So when they come open this file, in fact when I hear the kind file wey dem release, fear catch me. They say they release 3 million pages. The Epstein files wey they just release, e get 3 million pages, 180,000 images, 2,000 videos, and if you come hear the name of the people wey dey, you go shock o. Richard Branson e dey, Bill Gates e dey, Michael Jackson e dey, Elon Musk e dey, Chris Tucker e dey, Diana Ross e dey, Jacob Zuma e dey. Ladies and gentlemen, they say that they arrange one kind dinner for London for you to know say this guy na big boy wey sabi many big people. No be there for hand o. A different part of the report has another alleged victim claiming that in 2019 she woke up in a room with Jay. Who be Jay? Jay-Z or Beyonce, that day Ivy Blue. He say he wake up with Sean Carter inside the room. The report mentioned that the victim was drugged and that her memory was clouded. The files are still stressing that the mention of somebody's name, the fact that they mention anybody's name does not mean the person is guilty of anything. But everybody will get conversation with Jeffrey Epstein, now they don't publish their name. And once your name come out, people go start to talk, say, ooh, wetin you dey find go do that for with that bad guy? How you take know that bad guy? Wetin bring una together? Wetin come make everybody shock be say the president of United States of America, Donald Trump, they say his name show for hundreds of places. Donald Jogomi. No wonder when Trevor Noah come talk one joke wey link Bill Clinton too follow dey for the list o. They say na wetin make am dey vex be that. Ladies and gentlemen, the one wey come shock me, wey go shock you too as a Nigerian, the cousin of our president. They say I don't know. They say the cousin of our president, in name he follow dey. You say who be that? Wetin be name? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's nephew, no be cousin, nephew. Jubril Adewale Tinubu. They say him too, he dey on top the list. Kini Jubril wa lórí list Jeffrey? Toh, I don't know. But wetin make everybody dey shock now be say, so this thing wey we dey complain about for the whole world, say some big people dey commit crime, then they cover am, e still dey shele for obodo oyibo. And this is not just a crime, it's a crime that they claim has to do with children. In fact, for inside the file wey they talk say e dey circulate, they talk say the richest man in the world that year, I'm talking of Bill Gates, they talk say he carry jumbo, say he carry some Russian babes, say na for there contact sexually transmitted infection from those girls. He's not confirmed yo. He's not confirmed yo. All this thing inside this file is not confirmed yet too. But now waiting inside the file where they don't release with that too. But shall somebody come corroborate am? Woman like woman, no offend woman no. Bill Gates ex-wife Melinda, you come talk say all this particular story wey dey circulate now, e dey bring back the memory of the troubles we went through in our marriage.
Me, it's personally hard whenever those details come up, right? Because brings back memories of some very, very painful times in my marriage, but I have moved on from that. I purposely pushed it away.
I just hope that the girls are okay now. She no talk say na lie, she no talk say na true, but she just talk her own wey be say anybody wey hear her go know say something fishy is going down. Ladies and gentlemen, now how we take concern you and I. This story is not just about America, it is about power, money, and how system dey behave when big people when they dey involved. And for those of now wey dey shout in the sinner climb, this cannot happen in America. This one no happen for Oyo State o. This one no happen for Kaduna State o. Na for that same America the thing for happen o. Jeffrey, like I said, was a very rich man. Nobody know wetin he dey do, but sha everybody sha know say na big boy wey dey ball and he dey roll with the bad boys. He dey roll with the big boys. Now people don refuse to keep quiet. More evidences don dey come out. More people don dey talk. Victims dey talk. People dey talk, and everybody dey talk say dem no know anything. Everybody dey deny. In fact, Gaddafi wey don die, they say im name and the name of Libya e dey inside those Epstein files. Who come be this guy? You just know be this guy dey run the world. If you don watch this movie House of Cards, you go don know those kind of people wey say na dem dey control the president, but they know them. Ladies and gentlemen, things dey happen o. But sha as of now, they say wetin, even till the guy die, no full trial, no full confession, no full accountability, because before he could go further, he was dead. Who killed Jeffrey Epstein? What are they trying to protect? Is he connected in any way to Nigeria? I don't know. But then the matter get as e be o, and e be as e get. So if dem dey negotiate justice for America, if people wey no person dey go scot free for America, you know wetin I wan talk, but I no go talk am. Ladies and gentlemen, may God have mercy on us. I just make I come yarn you in case you no know wetin dey shele around the world. Many things still dey shele for these files, and many names, in fact many family don dey scatter, many businesses don dey scatter, many relationships don dey scatter, because you have to tell us wetin you know, wetin you do with Jeffrey. Richard Branson too, him too dey involved, him name dey involved. But don't forget that anybody wey him name dey no mean say dem do any bad thing o, because anybody may want to do business, anybody may want to do anything, but anybody wey him name dey featured know say dem get relationship with one kind guy wey be say na bad guy when he been dey alive, and the guy he do bad, he no pay back for the bad wey he do before he die, maybe before dem kill am. Who kill am? Why dem kill am? Maybe you go fit tell us. Eshe.